Hi there, meet the automatic smart curtain opener closer, a Bluetooth remote-controlled gadget that makes your curtains smarter and easier to manage. Installation is a breeze, taking just 15 seconds with no tools required, and it fits various curtain tracks including T, U, and rod pocket. You can switch between power mode for fast operation and silent mode for quiet, peaceful use. Control your curtains anytime with a mobile app that supports timers and works perfectly with Alexa, Google Home, and Homekit for voice commands. It also features built-in light and temperature sensors that automatically adjust your curtains for comfort and energy savings. Powered by a high-capacity 4000 mAh battery, it lasts up to 6 months on a single charge, reducing maintenance. Transform your space with this smart, efficient curtain opener designed for convenience and comfort. Thanks for hanging out with us. If this product caught your eye, there's a direct link and more info waiting for you in the description below. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe so you never miss our daily finds. See you in the next one.